too. Last time it went up in our neighbor's backyard in a tree. Probably. At least we think. In the video it showed it going up, you know, like 20, 30 feet. And we thought it'd be good to do it in our driveway. But that didn't end well, did it? Watch the last video to see it. And, oh. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
It landed in the ball field. You see that? Let's go find it. Right?
Yes. That went only about 20 feet up.
Yeah. There it is. Oh, just look at it. Think it's all good. It's good. What do you think of that, camera person?
I couldn't catch where it went.
It went.
I know it's so
went out,
bright.
And then it went all the way, and then it went into
Landed.
the ball field.
Yeah.
We are going to try this again. So don't go anywhere, people. We're going to keep recording this.
And screw it.
Oh, one more time?
Yeah, but from Barnes and Nobles again too.
Parents.
Just so you know, we don't go to Barnes and Nobles lots. We just happen to get it there. We just happen to. It's okay. Now for the takeoff too. Part. So stop when you see the bubbles, but I say give it a little extra. You know.
I think it's actually when this starts letting out is when it's full.
Are we ready, people? Do that.
Aim the sky?
Yep.
Okay.
Aim the rocket, then the sky.
I try to do that.
Ready? Ready?
Yes. Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
I can't.
Straight up.
I.
Whoa!
I did not catch that. I couldn't say a thing.
Well, we got it on video.
Oh, okay, great.
I think we can see it. Once. How far do you think that one went up?
About 90 feet.
Like last time?
That was like, yeah, 90.
Whew, that went very far. And it happened again.
Well, it's a collapse hole. It's got all this air in it. Creates a little shock absorber.
So it doesn't break?
Yep.